Good morning, Navi Nation. It's Super Sunday and I'm running late. Let's get after it. But of course, let's get a cold start. I get that choke on. There we go. Good boy. Oh, wait, what am I rolling up on?
I'm scared of you. No. He's 33. This nigga's gay.
What? So how we doing?
Good to see you again.
Made it. Good to see you.
Too nice.
Thank you, man.
That'll be cool.
Best monkey right there.
I know. The best. One day.
How we doing?
There you go.
Bro, what's going on right
Don't settle for less.
How you doing? Cool. I know. How you doing?
Coming out until you was back work.
All right, brother. Stay
Straight
safe.
up.
Hey, I'm on the ground.
Yeah, I got you. I just got your thing. You're gonna be the intro to my YouTube. I'm sending that shit to you.
Hey, the new NC Blast shock. What's up with the new shock?
Oh, bro, I love it. I'm breaking it in.
Yeah,
I love it.
Yeah.
It's the shit.
It looks good.
Yeah, man, I fucking love how it's all black now.
Out of nowhere, at 7 o'clock in the morning, it's crazy. I took his bike, bro.
Oh, yeah, he's tweaking. It's 8 a.m.
It's
It's 8.
the biggest ride of the year in LA. Okay, it's going to be probably about, I think they should go to 400 bikes. We're going to ride to Temple City, right to the Pastrami, and like I said, it's going to be a lot of people. Just, if you're not going to be stunning, stay away from the stunners. The stunners, you know when to stun. I'd like to welcome everybody, the people from Arizona. They came all the way from Arizona.
You!
We have a few stunners here too. I stunned, but not tonight. Alright, we need it 5 minutes. Do what you gotta do, and let's all be safe. Right?
You!
Let's do it.
Thanks, Big. So we made it to the meat spot. Got my boy Smokey right here.
Yo.
His Navi right here. Got my Navi over here. Bunch of grounds, bunch of Navis, bunch of ruckuses. This is the small meetup spot. We're about to ride an hour out to the big meetup spot. Probably got about 500 people for this ride. Super Sunday, baby. Let's get it. Right now, we got Billy over here. Billy busting up the pro camera. Boy Q over here with the glove. Yes, sir. Glove, bro. About to roll out. I'll take you guys along for the journey, and I'll see you guys at our next meetup spot. Let's do it. big meetup. This thing is crazy, dude. There's so many people out here. I'm seeing so many cool bikes. I'm about to go walk around with the GoPro and just get a quick video of everything that I see. But this is gonna be a crazy ride.
Thanks for everyone coming out today. It's a little bittersweet. You know, it's been 16 years since started Super Sunday. It's really a spawn from our Thursday night rides. A lot of people say, "Oh, why don't you keep it going?" You know, it's nice once a year for me, but also I have a lot of other things going on in my life. I'm retiring in 14 months from work. So 3 hours, 2 minutes, and 26 seconds. You know, this ride really spawned off a bunch of different rides, and I'm grateful for that. So even though Super Sunday's not here, you know, Riders Blocks has something. The Bixby Bridge ride. There's the Napa ride. A bunch of rides in California. There's a lot of people that came from different parts of the country here. You know, I'm not sure if we have any international people this time, but you know, we've had people from Taiwan and Japan fly out to Super Sunday, and it's been a blessing. You know, we've had a good run. Sometimes the weather didn't cooperate, but it always makes for a great memory. So hopefully we can end this year with another great memory, and everyone ride and be safe. Today I think the count we have is 333 people. So let's ride together. Let's ride safe. We started this stuff with Honda Ruckuses, and it's grown so to bring all sorts of other mini bikes. You know, whatever you're riding, it doesn't matter. You know, we're all on two wheels. It's a dangerous ride anyway. So we're gonna be exiting out the south west corner over here. 10 minutes. Mount up.
gas station is the luckiest son of a bitch. He just got plugged. Close to 400 motorcyclists coming to fill up at a gas station, man. This bike right here, this is 2024 best Honda Monkey. It's for the boy Rob. Look at how clean that is, dude. Well deserved, Rob. Well deserved. All right, Bill, you heading out? Shit, bro. Ride safe.
All right, now. My boy.
We're back on the road.
You went on this side of the exhaust side.
I was on the right, on this side.
On the left, all right. That's good.
So when I was turning, right, you pushed me out this way, so I'm like, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Shit, I didn't know what happened. My boy told me. We all got Navi, so I guess he was looking at you and shit. Yeah, he the one who told me he seen the shit. But I'm just glad you alive and good.
Nah, I'm
yeah,
good.
fuck all that. Yeah, the bike, man, that's shit replaceable. Shit cheap as hell as Navi.
Damn.
That shit make me want to go to the crib, bro.
Damn. We got a Navi down. It's the second person to go down on the trip. No major injuries or nothing. Everybody's been fine.
That shit.
Honestly, for having 400 people on a ride, it's not too bad. But
I ain't even want
you know, just glad everyone's safe and
that's a fucked up situation, bro.
and okay.
Yeah,
It's crazy.
I don't even want to.
Neptune's Nest, final spot of the ride. Everybody's here. Oh, excuse me guys, sorry about that. Thank you so much. Thank you. The 110. 110? Yes. Yeah, they're great. So much fun.
Yeah? Oh my goodness. 125 you said?
110.
110?
Yeah.
Oh man. It looks nice, man.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Right next to Navi, homie. Oh, that's steep, goddamn. Hey. We're here, dude. So what you about to do? You gonna eat in here or what?
I don't know. I think maybe the Six Flags maybe.
You gonna use that food pass?
Yeah, make it worth it.
What they got?
They got everything, bro. Ribs, brisket,
Damn,
burgers, pizza,
it's fire, bro.
whatever you feeling like.
I mean, shit, you already got it. You already paid for it.
Yeah, I already just came for the ride, really. Maybe have
Yeah,
a beer
hell
here
yeah.
or something. Cold one, crack a
Yeah, I mean, I feel like the spot's gonna be like busy, like packed,
Especially
like.
with all of us pulling up. I mean, everywhere we pulled up, bro, it's been busy.
Yeah, we've been blessing businesses.
Yeah.
Straight up. Yeah, no, this has been epic so far. Looks good, man. Everything looks good though.
I think I'll drink that half pint. What's those beers?
A pint of clam chowder. A little clam chowder, maybe? Hi. Can I get a half pint of clam chowder?
Half pint of
Yeah, that's gonna be it. Oh, and this water.
All right, so it's $13.95. Here you go, bro. This is number 25. All right, I'll give it to you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, man.
Awesome. Thank you so much. You want to go across, bro? Dude, there's so many bikes here. There's definitely got to be more than at the meetup spot. Some people just came to meet up here. Oh, that is beautiful. 636. She didn't hear me. It's all good. Excuse us. Oh, yes.
That's sick.
That's what I'm talking about. Hey, chowder cheers, bro. Hey, good ride today.
What's up?
That was good. That's really good. I love clam chowder. This is fire. Oh yeah. Oh, we got some boys in the water surfing. Oh, that's an epic shot, bro. Goddamn, with the birds and shit. Ooh. This car just got pulled over. Not for any of the bikers though. We're good. Alright, the homies are heading out. Super Sunday was a big success. Starting up the Navis. Man, it was a real good day. It was a real good day. CHP, yikes. Don't make it a bad one though. It's been good so far. Alright, let's get out of here. Ride safe. Time for me to leave. It's been a long day. It's really hot. We need to get home. You know, lazy Sunday type of thing. I know it's super Sunday, but also gotta have my lazy Sunday. Yeah, time to get out of here. Gonna hit PCH all the way home. It's gonna be a beautiful ride. Let's go. Let's get a start. Thank you, Neptune's Nest. Thank you, Killer Scooter.